In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the Binance strategy trading bot. By the end, you will be equipped to set up and manage your automated trading strategies in Binance. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once you arrive, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your account credentials to access your account. If prompted, ensure to complete any additional security steps such as two-factor authentication. After signing in, look for the trading bots or strategy trading section on the main dashboard. This area contains the tools necessary for automated trading. Next, enter the trading bot section. Here, you will find various bot types that automate trades based on predefined rules. It is important to review the available options thoroughly, as different bots perform best under specific market conditions. Understanding the associated risks before proceeding is essential, as this step opens trading tools that can help you execute trades without manual intervention. After familiarizing yourself with the bot options, you will need to configure the bot parameters, select a trading pair that you wish the bot to operate on. Following this, set your investment amount and define the strategy range. Pay close attention to the grid or strategy settings, especially if you are new to trading. It is advisable to avoid aggressive settings initially. Before proceeding, confirm that the expected behavior of the bot aligns with your trading goals. To mitigate risk, consider testing your strategy with smaller amounts first. Once your bot parameters are set, it is crucial to monitor the bot's performance regularly. You can track its progress from the dashboard. If market conditions shift significantly, be prepared to stop the bot to prevent potential losses. Additionally, if you notice a decline in profits, adjusting the parameters may be necessary. Regularly reviewing the trade history will provide insights into the bot's effectiveness. Remember, while bots can assist in trading, they should not be relied upon entirely. They serve best as supportive tools in your trading strategy. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.